Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Irina. Hope you guys doing well. And this is my little video of my real littles. And the last package that I got, and these are the ones that I've collected recently. And I'm gonna do something I didn't do today, and it's to check out from the guide. So I have a guide out. I started from this one. We'll see where they sat, and I'm gonna check them off. So let's see. Oh, I got scissors. Let's get this blue one. Maybe the blue one. So, being the fact that I'm gonna be checking the list, I'm gonna go through it. I'm gonna show you right now what I'm gonna go check, and it's to check off the little squares. So this one is candy, and this one is special edition fruits and veggies dessert. We got drinks, we got breakfast, savory snacks, frozen. I want a frozen one. I'll get a frozen. Look at this last one. Let's see what I got. Frozen! Oh my god! I didn't even look. I promise you I did not look. And I got a frozen. I got something at least. The last one that I found at the store. So, oh, I didn't even show you. It's the frozen ones. It's the poppers. Shopkins poppers. So let's take one out. Oh, look at the puppies. I'm sorry, I got over here coughing in the video. And this is the popper. Look how cute. And it looked like it was melting. So it's like mushed in the bag. Hold on, guys. I gotta drink something. Alright, I'm back. I have to drink some water. I feel dry. I still feel dry. You can hear my voice all dry. So, and I'm going to, let me get a marker. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so I'm going to check off. So this one would be in what? Well, that one would be. That one's in snacks, savory snacks. It's right here. Got one there. One from the savory snacks. And then, what's this one? The s'more. S'mores right here. So it's in the sweet snacks. Ew. Ooh. Strawberries. Let's see where I find the strawberries. Put it in the vegetables, right? Fruit and vegetables. Yeah, right here. Fruits and vegetables. Ooh, she's so pretty. She's so cute. Strawberries. Ew. Okay, now we got the poppers. Poppers would be in frozen desserts, I guess. Let me see if it's down here. No, frozen desserts. Right under, right before the limited edition. Oh, but which one is this one? The pink one, which is this one right here. So there's two of them: the yellow and the pink for the frozen. And this, I guess this series. And this is French toast. the French toast. Let me see if it's right here in savory. French toast. Where are you? It's not on savory. Oh, breakfast. I remember we have breakfast here. Where's the breakfast? This is the candy. Breakfast is right up here. So it's right here, French toast. So it is on breakfast. So I had to think about it, guys. I had to think about it. So that one. And I need a buff. There's 6 of them, so I need 5 more. Oh, and now we have the, this has got to be the sweets, the candy. Sweet snacks, now candy. Candy right here. So we have 2 of them. We have ones with the winks and one, this one has a double wink and this has the 1 wink. Yeah. So I got this one. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Imagine I collect all of these. Okay, we'll put you on that side. So you are a sushi, well not sushi, a dumpling with a soy sauce. So you should be at the savory side, right? Right here. I'm sorry. Move the right here. It's in the savory. See it? Right here. Okay. Now we have the Cheez-Its. The Cheez-Its is at let's see what's the snacks. It's gotta be in the snacks. It is the savory snacks, which is the Chachi Duos, which is the one, the popcorn and the cheddar cheese. Popcorn cheddar cheese collab. Okay, we got that one. Alright, and now we got the last one, Lunchable. Lunchables is at the savory snacks. There's 2 Lunchables. So there's a ham and cheddar and pizza mozzarella, and I got the pizza mozzarella. Actually pepperoni. Hold up. This is the pizza pepperoni mozzarella. What is it? Pizza with pepperoni. This one says pepperoni mozzarella. It's the same one. I can see it in the picture. So it's pizza pepperoni mozzarella. We got this one. So hope you like this video and going through my checklist with me, and continue watching me, guys. See you guys later. Bye.